When you use the web browser add-on and add new data, like creating a node or connection, or even editing the attribute of an existing node or connection, the system will record the website URL on which the action was made. Here, for instance, we'll create a node for the Wagner Group. So we've created a node with a name and one attribute. Once we've saved the node in the system, we will be able to see where the information came from. So if we reopen the node quickly, now you can see an icon that gives you the historic. So at the top level, you will have an historic of all the sources that have been used to populate the scorecard for that particular organization. And then for each particular attribute, you will see which sources was used for that particular information. So here we can see that this value was inputted on this website. As we get new information, say we go on the Wikipedia page of the Wagner Group, we acknowledge that. Now we can edit the node, add some of the AKAs. Here we go. And now if we check, we can see that those values, so in this page no values were added, and on this page those values were added. And again, here we will have the full historic of all the sources that have been leveraged to populate this scorecard. And the same goes for connection. But before we do that, let me show you another interesting tool that we've developed. You can also snapshot pages for pages that are ephemeral or likely to be taken down. And the way it goes is this. You start by snapshotting the page, and once the snapshot is saved, any new data that you will add or you will create on the web page will be associated with this snapshot. So here, for instance, we'll create a connection between the Wagner Group and Eric Prince. And now, if I look up this particular connection, again, we have the historics of the information. So here, we can click on any of the sub-attribute, and when you click on the details, you will be able to open the data source as the JPEG. So you will be able to see the picture version of your snapshot. And this is a way for you to save resources even if they disappear from the web.